What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Eagle IFX, and in today's video, guys, we are looking at a market overview, and I'm just doing a forecast on some of the pairs that we'll be looking at this week. If you watch my previous videos, guys, we had a very profitable week. If you took advantage of my analysis, then you should be able to have made some profits. So guys, remember to show some love by liking this video, subscribing to this channel, and turning on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos. All right, guys, so you know the drill. We have to start with the dollar index. It's always good to start with the dollar index because you know it has a correlation or bearing on as USD pairs. It's a good guide. Okay, so looking at the dollar index, you can see that just like I had said when this market was here, I said there was a high chance that the dollar index will come down here, you know, give us a double bottom before we see a move to the upside, and you can see it actually played out. So played out all the way to here. So my anticipation and probability is that, and the high chance possibility is that, you know, this market is gonna play all the way to this level over here. Right, so you can see currently we are in this level over here. Now there are two ways to look at this. So you can say this is actually a level, and I'm on the 4-hour time frame. This is a level over here, all right, of which the market, if you go to, let's say, the daily time frame, you can see that the market has given us 1 to 3, almost 3 touches, and this looks like, you know, like an impulse move, you know, giving us a correction, and then this market will just continue all the way to this level over here. Now that's one way to look at it. Another way to look at it is this could be a structure over here, of which the market could, you know, is giving us 1, 2. It could come and give us our third touch before, you know, it actually either comes down to this level and continues, or, you know, come all the way to this level and then complete. But the probability is, you know, this market is actually gonna fill up, or I'm actually looking forward to this market filling out the whole of that space over there that we are seeing. So, and you see that one also gives me a guide on how I trade there, the dollar related pairs, how I look at maybe something like Nasdaq, US30, and German 30. So you can see that there is a high chance that, you know, we are going to see this market completing this level, of which that's what I'm actually looking at. Or this could actually be a structure which market could come down to this level and complete, or come down all the way, give us a triple bottom before it actually completes this move to the upside. So guys, the reason why we keep on sharing, or I keep on sharing the market analysis, is because you need to familiarize yourself with the charts. You need to know how to analyze. Remember, you have to spend a lot of time, you know, learning and understanding the charts and understanding how the market works, because execution is just, you know, directly, you know, you're just like a sniper, whereby you take your time, you arrange everything, then you just shoot. So it's very good for you to understand how to look at markets, how to analyze the markets, and stuff like that. All right, so let's start with odd USD. So you can see, like I was saying, you see odd USD, we came from, and I gave this analysis. I said this market will come all the way to this level, you know, give us a double top over there before it goes down, and you can see, and this spike here was because of the CPI news, and you can see it actually plays out. If you go to my previous videos, you'll see that. And my plan, or my anticipation all along, is, you know, because this market, we came from this structure over here, as you can see over here, I'm looking forward for this market playing out all the way to this level to complete what we call our 90% rule. So you can see that It's very bearish as we talk right now, but you have to look at how this market is going to behave at this level over here, because this could also let me cancel that. So how it behaves when you get to this level over there, because you see this look like a what, and not like a double bottom over here. So we want to see a break of this low over here, because so far I think it's giving us lower lows and lower highs, right? Yeah, so once it breaks here, that we know that we are actually going fully down. But what I'm looking for is this market is actually gonna play all the way to this level over here, and this thing is so, which means that if the dollar index completes the uptrend, the gap that is remaining over there, then we are looking for this Audusd playing all the way to this level over here, which is actually the same case with Nzdusd. And as you can see, Nzdusd, you see, we are looking forward to what this market could actually come all the way and complete this level over here, maybe perhaps before we see a what, before we see a reversal to the upside. But let's look at the daily time frame. If you look at the daily time frame, what's happening over there? Yeah, all right, yeah, these are clean. It will be a very clean double bottom that is gonna be formed there over there. So we want to watch out and see how that plays out. So let's look at Usdcad. So you can see that Usdcad, this market has broken out this level over here. So of course we are looking forward to either this market playing all the way to this level or this level or that level over there. Now you have to exercise a lot of caution, because you see there's something like a scoop that is formed over here, and normally the market could do this. The market could give us this structure over here, then just come back and just start selling. So you have to look out for that, okay? Because you can see here, you see there's some small gap here that this market actually never really filled, and it can easily come back. It could come back all the way, or it could just be consolidating. Yeah, the momentum could decrease all the way to this level over here before we see a move to the downside, maybe for it to complete this before now it goes all the way to that level over there. So we have to exercise a lot of caution and to watch out, all right? Because as you can see, like I say, there are two ways. So this is actually some sort of like another double top over there. If I take this one out, you can see this market could actually, this could be a flag which the market could break out, retest, and just continue to the upside. That's one way to look at it. Another way to look at it is that this market could actually decide to just give us a clean structure, because of this scoop here and this double top over here, and just move to the downside. Now, how do you trade this? What I will do is that as long as I have not seen a clean structure over here, right, and then a break of this level, which the market comes back inside and gives me a flag here, that is the only time I'll be interested in. That is the only time I'll be interested in sell. But as far as this is concerned, then this market could just be consolidating and moving all the way to the upside. So you don't want to force the market to move. You don't want to force the market and say that you keep entering sells, and you see the mice, you could just be entering sell, and the market could just keep going and hitting your stop loss and just be making unnecessary losses. So you want to watch out for that. Then the next one you're going to look for is Usdchf, and you can see this is very clean. We are actually coming from a place of what? A place of a double top, right? Now, like I say, you see, once this market breaks out over here, then it comes back, then it gives me my first structure. Then I will now be interested to do what? That's when the time now I'm interested to enter my sells all the way to the downside. So you can see that if you go to the 1 hour time frame, you can see that you can see a structure that is being formed here. All right, so we can clone this and put it here. Yeah, so you can see that is a structure that is formed over there with 1, 2, and this market. Now another thing that I've noticed recently, or as I've been doing back testing, is that sometimes the market tends to come all the way to this level over here, give us now the clean double top that we're looking for before now it commits and move to the downside. So like I say, remember the dollar index has some gap to fill, so this market could come all the way. This market could come here and maybe come back here, then maybe come back here, and then now give us the structure like this. All right, for now a confirmation that we are now gonna sell this thing to the downside. So we wanna watch out for that. On Usdchf, this can be a very strong area of interest for me. So you just have to be patient. This thing you have to be very, 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 very much patient. No rush. Wait for it, and then you can see that you can catch a lot of pips on that. Okay, let's look at Usdjpy. It's actually basically the same thing. So you can see Usdjpy, you can see that we had a very corrective structure, right? And then we are actually at an area of what? Of double top here. So you can see there's a structure, there's a top here, the two double tops, a double top, sorry. Then the market has given us a scoop, give us some sort of like a triple top. So definitely we are looking for a very bearish move coming, strong move to there to come to the downside. All right, to come to all the way to this level over here. So what is happening here? If you come to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, this market could also decide, because you can see that this is actually a level of interest. Okay, so what could happen is that this market could just come all the way like that, complete that over there, then start selling. Of course, you can also target here. You can see that this is sort of like a structure that is forming here. Okay, you can actually evolve with it. Yeah, we can even decide to evolve it, or even maybe just play around with it and see how this is gonna form. Which also, let me show you something else here. You can also look at it this way, right? Have you seen this? All right, yeah. So that's also another one which could break out, complete this, give us now a double top before we see the move to the downside. So we just want to watch out all these. There are very powerful opportunities that are coming up, which is the same thing with Usdzar. All right, let's go to the daily time frame. You can see that Usdzar is actually almost the same thing with what? With the dollar index. All right, so definitely we were looking forward to once this market go to this level, but you can see it's broken out, impulse move correction, and I'm actually looking for it to complete this thing over here before now I'll be interested in sell. There are massive sales that are looming, and you can see this structure. Let's extend this to this level. Yeah, so you can see as long as we've not broken this, all right, we can take this out, and then now we are targeting this level over here. Yeah, so you can see that a high over there. So as long as we've not broken this level over here, and given us a confirmation like like a continuation pattern, then I'm still be looking for buying opportunities to this level. Then before now you can sell this off. So you can see that we want to see this maybe completing this, some mass psychology playing out here, then boom, we are moving to the downside. All right, so let's carry on to now gold. Okay, so gold, this has been massive. I mean, if you've been following my videos, you can see that I've actually been sharing all these setups since this level. We've been looking for selling opportunities, and I think that gold will still be going down. Yeah, maybe perhaps up to this level over here, or all these levels are levels of interest to me. So you can see that we've had a very clean structure. If you go to the 1 hour time frame, you can see that I think I gave this setup somewhere last week. It came all the way to here. Then look at this clean, our go-to setup. You can see that the market came all the way, and then it moved. Then now here we are actually, this is of course because of news, we have having these spikes over there. So what you can do is don't chase, don't enter here. You can just wait, for this market to come all the way to this level, and then you can just enter yourselves all the way to the downside. If it does not come, well, it's well and good. There's no point to chase, because you can actually enter here and then will come all the way, maybe even to this level over here, before now it start committing itself, and then you're just taking unnecessary losses. So you can see also gold actually be looking for bearish move to the downside. All right, let's look at Nasdaq. So Nasdaq, beautiful. We actually broke out of this structure. All right, and you can see from the daily time frame, we are coming from this, was that clean double top. Then we've actually broken out of this, so definitely I am looking for sales all the way to this level, and maybe perhaps hold to all that level over there. So if you go to the 1 hour 4 hour time frame, you can see it gave us this structure over here, of which we broke out. Then there was this small structure here. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Let's take this out and take this out and take that. Yeah, so you can see that from the 1 hour time frame, you can see that there. Yeah, so maybe what you can do is that you want to see maybe a clear structure, so that you can be able to know where to enter, so that you can be able to know where to place your stop loss and all those type of things. Then now you can maximize on these moves. You can be taking profit. You can see, like, if you come all the way to this, that's around 5%. You can see 10%, depending on the size of your stop loss. You can see 15%, and so on and so forth. But the clear thing is that, look, we are looking to sell this massively. We've already broken out. Another possibility, or another thing that could happen is the market could decide to come all the way over here, give us actually some sort of like a triple top before it moves to the downside. But the overall, whatever it does, if it gives us a flag here, then we are actually flowing with it to the downside, which is actually the same case with US30. You can see that US30, this is actually a trade that I think I gave this setup somewhere, though you can see there was a very strong spike because of news last week, but it had actually given us a very clear structure. I think it was on the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, it was here, I guess. Yeah, so initially my line was here. I was looking at this double what is it called, this double top over here. You can see there's here and here, and then there's a very beautiful scoop over here. So definitely we are looking to sell into the downside, but because of, I think it was CPI, that's why there was massive spike to the upside. But anyway, as you can see, still the setup really still it played out. Let's go back to the 4 hour time frame. You can see that still at the end of the day, you see that it was just a spike because of the news. Market came, they respected this double top over there. I mean, yeah, double top, then boom, came all the way, Then now we've actually broken this level, we've broken our trend line. And what are we looking for? We are looking for our what? As usual, we are looking for our first flag over here. Then we are maximizing this, and we are selling it all the way to this level to do what? Because of we have to maximize on our 90% rule. Okay, so finally, the same case with German 30 or German 40, depending on how you're looking at it or how you call it. You can see that we are also on a clean double top over there. You can see if I go to a lower time frame, and if I go to the 4-hour time frame, if you use a zone here, you can see that this market had 1, 2, and 3 touches. Then there was also this structure that was forming here, which has actually broken out. So yeah, you can maybe wait for, you can go for lower time frame, look for your entries, and maybe to this level over here, you know, because of here, all right? Then but you can see that the overall, let's take this out quickly. You can see from higher time frame, yeah, you can see that the overall move is, we are looking for this to move, give us another flag over here once it breaks out, and then we are looking for massive sell, take profits along the way, all the way to this level over here. So there are actually mighty and great opportunities that are coming off on dollar related pairs, and so you want to watch out for these big moves. All right, you want to watch out for these big moves because these are massive moves that can make you a lot of money and catch big pips. These are things that you can actually, you know, just train the stop loss that can swing them, and you can actually be able to harvest massive pips. All right guys, so let me know in the comment section what you think about this analysis, what you're looking at, what you want us to look at, and we'll be happy to respond to you. Thank you so much guys. Like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. This is Eagle IFX signing out.